Well, let's head to Egypt now. The country signed a contract with Qatar's Al Mana Holding for a first investment of $200 million to produce sustainable aviation fuel from used cooking oil in the Suez Canal Economic Zone at Ain Sokhna. Now, Egypt's cabinet said on Sunday, upon completion, the new factory is expected to be operational by the end of 2027. It's expected to produce about 600,000 tons of sustainable aviation fuel. While CGTN's Yasser Hakim takes a look at how this investment will give a boost to an upcoming industry in the North African nation.
It's a breakthrough for the newly introduced sustainable aviation fuel industry in Egypt. The $200 million Qatari project with Shell will produce 600,000 tons of jet fuel from used cooking oil by the end of 2027. It's joined by a similar $150 million project with Honeywell of the United States that will initially produce 130,000 tons a year.
We see the market is booming. It will be a very promising market for Egypt's sustainable fuels. The sustainable aviation fuel was introduced in the early 20s. As I mentioned, in 2024, it was $2 billion, the global market. We are expecting by 2030 that it will increase to 25 billion cumulative market cap. So Egypt will be producing sustainable aviation fuel by 2027 for around 330,000 metric tons, and it will increase by 2030 to hopefully 450 million tons per annum.
Egypt is considered an ideal location as it has abundance of used cooking oil, which accounts to over 80% of ingredients that produce sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF.
We import about $3 billion worth of cooking oil a year, mainly from Russia and Ukraine. A huge amount, over 500,000 tons, go to waste every year, whether waste from households or factories. Using Chinese technology, the used cooking oil will be recycled into eco-friendly aviation fuel. We will begin by collecting from factories first, and then we'll move to households. By then, the amounts of recycled cooking oil will be much more.
The economic impact of this clean and sustainable fuel industry will be significant for the Egyptian economy. It will reduce the import of expensive fuel and create a new revenue stream from SAF sales.
Europe is very interested in importing sustainable fuel as they don't have enough supply of used cooking oil. There's a global market ready to purchase our SAF according to international environmental standards. We can also provide to our local airlines to help them cut cost of fuel. Going forward, it will be an important source of revenue for the economy.
Sustainable aviation fuel is set to become a new item in Egypt's growing clean energy basket that includes solar, wind, green hydrogen, and nuclear energy. Yasser Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.